Hello students, welcome to Rishraj Classes YouTube channel. Many students, they come to me and they tell me one problem. That teacher, we find it difficult to grasp the concept. Sometimes we understand when the teacher explains and later immediately we forget that. Means what? It's difficult for them to grasp it. Grasping means you understand that concept properly in such a way that you do not forget that in the coming future. This is the meaning of grasping. So many students find it difficult to grasp the concept. Here in this video, I am going to tell you 3 simple steps, very easy steps which will help you to grasp the concept. So what are those 3 steps? Very first step is read the lesson in advance. Yes. Don't think whether you'll understand or you will not understand. Just keep this thought aside. So before the teacher explains the lesson in the class, read that lesson once. Yes, complete lesson you have to read it once properly, word to word. Whatever you understand, it's okay. Even if you don't understand, it's okay. But you have to read the lesson before the teacher explains in the class. Second step, when the teacher explains the lesson in the class, you have to pay attention to the each and every word of the explanation. Whether you like that teacher or do not like, whether you like the subject or do not like, whether you understand the explanation or do not understand. Again, you have to keep all these questions aside and listen to the explanation, each and every word of the explanation carefully. You have to do this. It's your duty to listen to the explanation carefully, properly in the class. Okay, this is the second step. Now, the third step. After the teacher completes the explanation of the lesson, again you have to read that lesson once again. Yes, read that lesson once again from your textbook. If you follow these 3 steps properly, I assure you that you will grasp the concept properly and this will definitely help you to score best marks in your coming exams. Just try this. You can at least try for your 5 subjects. Okay, 3 languages, social studies and science. You can try this. Mathematics, you can keep it aside. Sometimes it's not possible to understand before the explanation. So at least you can try this technique for your 5 subjects and check the difference in your result. Apart from this, if you have any problem in any of your subject, you can drop your query in our comment box. We will definitely help you in your problem. So my dear students, hope these 3 steps will help you a lot. So please don't keep this informative videos only up to yourself. Share this video among your friends, and to get the updates of such helpful and informative videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel, that is Rishraj Classes. So my dear students, my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.